today we're gonna make a watermelon slice. So we have these tools to make it. These are different colors of clay. So out of these colors, we're gonna pick the black color clay, then red one, dark green, and white. So we're gonna use these 4 colors of clay to make the watermelon slice. Let's keep them aside and start with the dark green color. Let's roll it on the tabletop. We'll use the rolling pin to spread it. Spread it like this. And with the help of the knife, cut the smaller sides like this. Now let's take the white clay. And with the rolling pin, let's spread it on the tabletop. Make sure it's smooth. Alright, so we have a white slice and a green slice. Let's take the green slice and put the white one on the top of that. Like this. Press it a bit. Let's spread it with the rolling pin. The other side too. Let's keep the rolling pin back. We're gonna cut the slice now, but let's not use the knife. Let's take the roller knife and make a shape, an arc shape to make the slice like this. You can cut it a little more. So we have a nice lean slice base for the watermelon. You can cut the extras to smooth the edges. Let's keep the knife back. And now let's take the red color clay. We're gonna need to take more quantity of the red color clay because red color makes the flesh of the fruit, which is really juicy and sweet. Let's spread it with a rolling pin. Spread some more. Let's press it with our fingers. Let's take some more clay. Press it with our hands, roll it on the tabletop, and spread it with a rolling pin like this. Smooth the edges. Use the roller. We need to make it in a shape that fits the crust. You know how when we cut slices out of watermelon, the base is broader and it's really thin on the top? It's like a boat shape, I guess. More or less, yeah. Smooth out the surface with the help of a roller. I think it's almost ready. That's what we needed. We're gonna place it on the crust from one side to another. This part is extra, so we can cut it out. We're going to adjust it to fit on the crust so that it looks like a slice of watermelon. We can cut a little more. And let's make sure the flesh fits in the crust. And also let's make sure that the top part is really thin. And the shape of the crust also should be a little rounded. You know how the watermelon looks like? Now let's make the seeds, for which we're going to use the black color clay. Let's cut out a chunk. And let's press it. Let's take a tiny chunk and roll it between our fingers. Make sure it looks like drops of water. Alright, now let's place them on the watermelon slice. Like this. Well, it looks really nice. Now the other side. Let's take some more black clay and start making those tiny seeds in the shape of the droplets of water. And place on the other side like this. You must have noticed the seeds on the watermelon slice are really in a pattern. They go circular. And we can put as many seeds as you want. Alright, so our watermelon slice is ready. It looks so yummy.